Welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your Pi wallet or how to link your Pi wallet with your Pi mining app. So please follow this step I'm going to show you in this video to prepare the transfer of your Pi mobile balance to the mainnet. Without this step, your Pi will not be transferred into your wallet even though you pass the KYC. So just follow this step I'm going to teach you now. But before going to that, please, if this is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that anytime we release another video like this, another important video like this, you will be the first person to see the video. So please click on that subscribing button now before I start the video. Now you are welcome back. On your Pi app, click on mainnet on the main menu. After you click on mainnet, now click on mainnet checklist. When you click on the mainnet checklist, it will take you to this place. Now your own will be in red color if you haven't linked it before, but if you have linked it, it will be like this. As you can see, I've already linked my own, but in this video I'm going to show you how to do your own. If you haven't linked it, your own will be in this red form if you haven't done it. So now click on confirm your Pi wallet. On that arrow, click on it. Then it will take you to this place where you will input your passphrase. Now input your passphrase and click on confirm your Pi wallet. As you can see now, you have confirmed your Pi wallet. Your Pi receiving wallet address will be shown here. It will be shown in the Pi app. So by now you can your balance can now be transferred into mainnet, into Pi mainnet. After you pass your KYC, your Pi balance can now be transferred into mainnet. So this is how to connect your Pi wallet and Pi mining app together in another form, in a short form. After you click on mainnet on your main menu on your app, it will take you to here where this is mainnet checklist. Click on mainnet checklist on your app. Click on mainnet checklist on your app. Now it will take you to this place. Now you have to click on that small arrow. If you haven't verified before, verify it before. It will take you to, you will see it like this. Now it will take you to where you will paste your Pi network passphrase, your Pi wallet passphrase. Now copy your passphrase and paste it here. Then click on confirm. That is it. Your wallet has been confirmed that you are the owner of the wallet. It will mark that red box to green. So this is how to confirm your wallet address on your Pi app. Link it together. If this video, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It takes you nothing to do that. Thank you for watching. We are releasing another one soon.